Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually add a link behind your photo on Canva. First of all, we want to go to Elements and we want to start with frames, and let's go with this one. It doesn't actually matter what you will pick, it's completely up to you. Any shape you like. Now we want to go to photos, and I don't know, it's up to you, maybe upload, and we have this one and this one, like this. It's kind of nice. So we can see it like that, and all of a sudden on the top right corner there's this link stuff. We press it, we enter the link, or you can write it down manually and apply. If you want to test if we are successful or if we succeeded, we just go to present full screen and we click on it. Now you can see it will automatically open up the link that we entered. So close the presentation, and that's about it, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.